nankasa no si no hoyen na krofo no wo choose na onye kenzifo na onzi won anyim ekro bia ekoda na enhu kromfo a woyi nipa kro bezi won anyim na wabo ahon na nyama orkokodo wo social media bukuna yede ni na onye no kwa ya war for 28 years ya won 5 mama no nyina wot kro yi mu 2 at university ekro Legon ekro Central University method born enter university this year nkakama 2 won so ogudo work of form 1 enti me ya Ghana yin aya na se what asem bia won twem benem na won bisa na won hu no kwalo yeden owo na moro kodo no soso se continue yedem a impuntu juma orumba kro yi mu because oye dem afofofo why ho adwede opedo obokro be bibi na chede yezi yan no kasa yeziri tuwon efigana enti mesrem bebre moro kodo moro ba mozina maha ibi nyi ho a oye no kwa na se obi supenchechiremu a aya na watwe abene na webisa yenum asem nya na wasa asamafa yen ho bisa yenum asem but kai na ya kai mama obi aso na so ate de fia yeti bukun pa no ye Nigerian ofia nkafu nyina ya mfantefo asantefo na wogu fia wo ye djuma bosomoso a ye che hon kaw ya kasesa o Nigeria fu bia megu fia mukunu pe be fia mukunu pe na mama a wo ye half Nigeria half Ghanaian enti mesrem bebre obi an kana koma on triniyem na moroko moreba ma work kanu no koribia nyi bepia.
We are doing this because I engage in all these things I just mentioned here because of the peace the Ghana people have given to us. And we want to maintain that peace. So my mission this afternoon is basically to let our brothers and our sisters in Ghana know that we are not at war with them and cannot be at war with them. And will not allow anybody to cause anything that will bring problems between us and our brothers in Ghana here. We are one people. Yes, we have been divided by the colonial masters, but we will not divide ourselves anymore. Whatever that will bring division between Nigeria and Ghanaians, please, every Nigerian in Ghana must make sure you don't allow such things to happen. And I want to also warn every Nigerian, wherever you are today, please do not engage in any activity that will bring issues or violence or attack on anybody. Please avoid it. We want peace to reign. We want peace to reign. And I repeat, we want peace to reign. And I believe Ghanaians will see the truth. And when they see this truth, they are going to be the ones to fight for this truth. And the peace will prevail among us. Thank you.
And insult leveled against our Eze Chief Chukwudi Jude Ihanetu by some bloggers in various local radio, televisions, and social media outfits. Before I will respond to all the accusations leveled against our Eze Igbo Chief Chukwudi Jude Ihanetu, it is important to give a short story of how we, the Igbos, arrived at choosing Igbo chiefs in all the places we Igbos found ourselves. After the civil war in Nigeria in 1970, Igbos started traveling out of Igbo land to other parts of Nigeria, Africa, and the world for greener pasture. As the eastern part of Nigeria was completely devastated by war and its economy was incapacitated. As a result of the exodus of Igbos out of Igbo land to other parts of Igbo land, established in those new places where we are compelled to come together to form welfare associations to take care of each other. This is the reason Igbo are highly united anywhere they find themselves. In response to issues of establishment of Igbo chiefs in the diaspora, this issue came up as a result of United Nations prediction that Igbo language would go into extinction in 50 years' time. Based on this prediction by United Nations, Igbos all over the globe, including those residing other parts of Nigeria, came together, agreed to establish Igbo chiefs, Ezes, in every country and other parts of Nigeria where Igbos reside, to lead Igbos and establish Igbo schools where Igbo language, culture, and tradition will be taught to Igbo children and wives in such countries and communities. As a result of the above reasons, Igbos in Ghana came together and conducted election between two candidates who indicated their interest to occupy such prestigious demanding position. The election was conducted between Chief Chukwudi Jude Ihanitu and Chief Geoffrey in 2013 at the Igbo community meeting at the Arc Center near Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum, High Street. At the end of the election, Chief Chukwudi Jude Ihanitu emerged as the winner with 97% of the vote casted, and he was subsequently declared as the chief of the Igbo people in Ghana, as a Igbo na Ghana. Chief Chukwudi Jude Ihanitu has been effectively handling that position over the years to the satisfactory of Igbos and Nigerians in Ghana. Under the leadership of Chief Chukwudi Jude Ihanitu as Igbo na Ghana, Igbos has been celebrating New Yam Festival, their traditional and culture over these years without any hindrance. During this celebration, Igbos from all over the globe, USA, UK, Europe, Caribbean, and Asia, converged in Ghana to attend the celebration, thereby promoting tourism and boosting the economy of Ghana. It is important to note that since the elevation of Chief Chukwudi Jude Ihanitu as the SND Igbo na Ghana, he embarked on several trips to other regions in Ghana with Igbo elders to address Igbos in those regions, admonishing them to be law-abiding and to respect the law of our host nation, their culture, tradition. To the glory of God, Igbos all over Ghana has been law-abiding since all these years. The Igbos with our chief, Eze Chukwudi Ihanitu, also successfully celebrated our New Yam Festival for 12 consecutive years without any problem or casualty. It is important to note that this New Yam Festival is an annual festival celebrated by Igbos all over the world and all parts of Nigeria where Igbos are residing. This festival is a thanksgiving to God for a successful harvestation of yams from our various farms. In conclusion, on our institution of Ezeship, Igbo Chief in Ghana, we Igbo community hereby declare that Eze Chukwudi Jude Ihanitu did not impose himself as Eze Igbo na Ghana. He was unanimously elected by Igbos in Ghana to be their traditional leader. With regards to accusation leveled against Eze Chukwudi Jude Ihanitu and Igbos in Ghana on acquisition of lands and plans to establish Igbo Kingdom in Ghana, we hereby write to completely refute such accusation. It has come to our attention that statements and accusations are circulating on the social media regarding the alleged acquisition of 50 acres of land, 250 plus in Ningro in the Greater Accra region by Igbo leader in Ghana, as the Ohazurome one of Igbo, to create an Igbo village.
Other Nigerians that are here, who are here for business, what advice do you have for those Nigerians?
First of all, from this place and from the Office of Igbo Community, President, we always tell our people, don't ever engage in crime. If you commit crime, the laws of the land will hold you and prosecute you based on the crime you committed. We always tell people this, and we never support crime. Number two, what is giving me stress more is when one Nigerian or two commit crime, they will generate that the whole Nigerians are crime committers. In every home, there's Mensa. So it pains me a lot when something like this happens. They say the whole Nigeria, Igbos and all that. So please, if you're a Nigerian, you live in Ghana, don't engage yourself in any crime. Don't engage yourself even in Ghana election because you are not a Ghanaian. Don't engage yourself in anything that will sabotage the name of Nigeria. Don't engage yourself in anything that will make Nigeria to look like we are stupid. I always say this, that Igbos, Nigerians, we can start selling pure water with 100 cedis. Come back in 1 month's time, that 100 has increased to 200. Come back in 6 months' time, that 200 has increased to 1,000. We have patience to do business. We have patience to increase our strength to make more for future. We are not those that believe to make it today and die tomorrow. That is why you see Igbos, sometimes an Igbo man, 2, 3, 5 years ago, when he came here, he was wearing chaliwete. After 5 years, you see him doing well. We have patience. So we are not people of that nature. But remember, in every 12, there's always Judas. And that Judas must be fished out. That was why Judas was fished out, and he also hanged himself. The consequences of what Judas did was for him to kill himself. So the consequences of Nigerians any Nigerian commit crime here is the law of the land. Thank you.